There's a big red button.
Yep. Casey checking out Spike. Casey!
Make him roar.
Hold the button there. Help her out now.
Send them over.
Casey's checking in. Help her out, Lenny. There you go. Look at Grandma. The dinosaur's going to eat your granddaughter.
She'll have nightmares tonight.
Bet she looks cool on the camcorder.
Yeah, we'll convene in your sleep bed. Not hear the
There's the baby. There's the dinosaur eating your baby because you're in Florida. Yeah, throw it in there.
Take a picture of him.
I don't think we need a picture of Spike.
Make him roar.
Let me show you how. Hold on, Grace. Don't hold two at once. Hold one at once. Hold that one down. Horrible. This will probably make you throw up. Oh, I think the battery just died.
No.
Sorry. What's your